In this amusing yet heartwarming incident, a dog's unusual behavior led his owner to believe that something was wrong. The dog was seen limping, and this concerning symptom prompted the owner to spend a hefty amount of approximately $400 on a series of veterinary examinations. The tests were conducted to ensure that there were no underlying health issues that could harm the pet. After undergoing thorough diagnostics, to everyone's astonishment, the results revealed that the dog was perfectly healthy. It turned out that the dog had no genuine physical ailment at all. He was merely imitating a limp. Whether as a clever ploy to capture attention or simply due to playful behavior, the dog's act demonstrated a remarkable level of mimicry that not only fooled his owner for a brief moment but also provided a light-hearted lesson in the unpredictability of animal behavior. This story serves as a reminder that sometimes our furry friends can surprise us with their antics. What initially appears to be a serious concern might just be a case of playful imitation. The incident ultimately left the owner both relieved and amused, reaffirming the unique bond between pets and their caregivers. It also highlights the importance of a careful, calm approach when interpreting unusual behaviors in animals. Sometimes, it's just our pets playing around and seeking a little extra love and attention.